Flange protectors, introduction, types, uses, needs and advantages, complete guide. Flange joints have been used in joining large cylindrical pipes for the longest time now, and it is only imperative that they now be studied in greater depth. Flange protectors protect the flange studs, face, and gaskets on the raised face from atmospheric corrosion as encountered in many applications. Applications include offshore oil fields, onshore oil fields, refineries, gas stations, fuel pumping stations, etc. Why need for flange protectors? Flange protectors act as a protective covering over face of the flange that acts as a shield against corrosion. These problems, if gone out of hand, can lead to a total shutdown of the machine part that can incur high costs when operated in an industrial setup like an offshore drilling setup. The costs of such a shutdown can be too high to not give due attention to the flange's operational readiness beforehand. Types of flange protectors. There can be many types of flange protectors that are currently in use in the industry. 1. Stud hole fitting flange protectors. They provide covering to the flange over the fittings made by stud holes that provide better grip and flexibility. Stud holes are made by the hole-making machines or by tap and dies, and then the flange covering is transitioned into them for better rigidity. 2. Foam flange protector. The outer covering of the flange cover is covered by foam that provides high temperature resistance to the flange covering apart from moisture control. Foam provides an extra layer of insulation to the flange part and thus helps in promoting better surface covering. 3. Face plug flange protector. The face covers are connected using plugs that go into the flange coupling surface. Plug holes get into the groove using transition fit, and the flange protectors are connected with the piping design. 4. High pressure flange cover. These types of flanges covers are specifically designed to protect flanges that operate at higher pressure, typically lay on the pressure range of 40 to 120 pounds per square inch, pounds per inch tube. These high-pressure operations come with different set of challenges that can be tackled only by a high-pressure flange cover. High-pressure situations tend to promote more moisture due to high relative humidity, and it becomes imperative to tackle such situations. 5. Push-in flange cover. They have been designed to adjust to different diameters, which can increase their effectiveness in dealing with different pipe sizes. They can slide into pipes of varying diameters with relative ease. 6. Full face flange cover. Such types of flange covers take over the entire surface area of the pipe diameter and protect the flange coupling from moisture and corrosion. The entire surface being covered by the flange cover gives superior protection as compared to other types of flange covers. 7. Bolted quick fit flange cover. These types of flanges are joined with the base plate and the pipe surface using bolts and nuts. Every flange protector is equipped with a positive relief vent and plug for easy removal of the disjointed flange from its pipe clippings. Modern-day flange protectors have polyvinyl transparent coverings that allow preliminary inspection to be done with the naked eye and filling of the joint fluid from outside. Additionally, the non-corrosive nature of the polyband makes the service life longer than what it was before it. This increases the life of the machine part, which can be of immense help in meeting several operational requirements. Advantages of flange protectors. Provides a blanket cover to the flange and its internals from the outside atmosphere. Maintains the operational readiness of the gasket and internal seals. Keeps out salt water, debris, moisture, etc. Quickly installed with a screwdriver. The replacement runtime is quite less than what is achieved in other types of pipe coverings. Available for all flange sizes. The interchangeability of flange protectors is a big advantage when it comes to its operational readiness of it. Highly cost-effective for repeated use in an offshore/onshore drilling site. Challenges while using flange protectors. The annular gap between the flange outer diameter is highly undesirable and is quite vulnerable to debris and foreign article including moisture. This can lead to excessive wear and tear of the gasket apart from corrosion. When operating in high moisture areas or places where high rainfall can be a possibility, the readiness of a flange protector comes as an advantage. The parts can be changed quickly, which reduces the replacement downtime considerably. Many times the flange gaskets are filled with corrosion-resistive grease that acts as a barrier between the moisture and the flange gasket. Flange protectors can be used in pressure vessels, piping connections, process plants, etc. Over its many years in the industry and otherwise, it has performed up to the desired levels and has never given any scope for doubt over its operational effectiveness. The ability to protect the flange coupling from moisture and foreign particles has always been associated with the flange protectors, and that has ensured better productivity. Thanks for watching.